Hello together, my name is Jonathan, and today I want to introduce our mobile manipulator station. So here you can see the CMR, like it's a driverless robot system. We have here a 12 kilogram robot on top, also like a measurement system, and it's a whole solution. Like you can use it for like pick and place solutions. So let's say you're a customer, you have like around 10 machine tending stations and you don't want to install like 10 robots. So you can use this mobile manipulator and load, unload around 10 machines. After the pickup, you can bring the finished parts to the warehouse and can bring new material to the machines. Because of the flexible camera system, we are able to change the load really fast. So let's say customer wants to change a new part, and we can do this really fast. We all have the safety standards. We have safety scanners inside, and it's also CE certified. Here you can see a flexible robot solution. It's also for machine tending, and we have here a 2D camera system. With this system, it's possible to detect parts and so to change different materials in a really quick time. Here you can see our automatic door. It's for really fast load and unloading of machine tools. So you can see how quick it is. It's a world fastest machine door. And here's also like a demo unit for like measuring. So it's a complete solution from the bin picking, to unload, to load, unload the machine, and to measure the finished parts all in once.